What's up guys, it's Davi from DUCKCHAR, and today we're making paleo-friendly smoked duck meatballs. These meatballs are incredible. They're everything you like about a typical meatball, except they have a rich duck flavor twist, and there's just something different about them. But they're familiar enough that it's not like you're trying something completely new. Probably the best part is that they're really easy to make. The first step with this recipe is to make the sauce. Unfortunately, we lost all that footage, so we're just gonna show you this. But the sauce is super easy. It's a few simple ingredients and it takes about 15 minutes to get together. We'll link it all below. The next step for this recipe is to grind with the DUCKCHAR. For previous recipes like burgers or the spaghetti sauce we made, a nice coarse grind would do the trick. But since we want to have a typical meatball consistency, you want to make this grind a little finer, which takes a few more minutes of working with a nice sharp knife. So let's get started with that step. Once the DUCKCHAR is ground up, it's time to combine it with the other ingredients. We'll make it into a nice mix and then form them into about golf ball sized meatballs. We cooked the meatballs on our Traeger Pro 34, so we set it on high and got a temperature between 400 and 450 degrees and cooked them all the way through, which took about 15 to 20 minutes. The last step is to combine the meatballs, the pineapple, and the barbecue sauce all together in a cast iron skillet. You're just gonna heat it up for a few minutes until you get a nice sizzle, and then it's ready to serve. As you guys can see, this recipe is super easy. If you have any comments or questions, comment below. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That's it, that's all. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.